Hi, welcome back. My name is Kariwaltz. I share tips, tools, and techniques for the artist in you. And if you've been with me the last few weeks, you know I've been out of town and now I'm glad to be back. My mom's doing well. Thank you for those of you who have wished her well and sent good well wishes for her. And hi, Mom. I know you'll be watching this at some point. So thank you for being a good fan, my best fan, probably. And today I'm going to share with you a little bit more about the Elegant Writer and my favorite accompanying tool. Hint. Now that I'm back from Texas, I'm looking at some of my photos and deciding that to continue my exploration with the Elegant Writer and try some of the images that I captured when I was in Texas. This is on the walk from my mom's house. I'm going to try to capture these interesting branches of the trees in the area and the creating of the tunnel on the road. So we shall see. I'm almost doing blind contour, just kind of feeling it as it goes, letting it go off the page, trying to look for what branches are in this front tree versus some of the trees that are going to be in the back. And they're just gnarly and interesting. Turn on the edge to get skinnier. That's a little better in through here. Shadow. All right, kind of ignored the street. I turned it on the edge to get skinnier, so the ones in the tree in the back will not be as dark. One thing that I'm going to add to this is a spray bottle that has a diluted Payne's gray. In here is kind of a bluish gray. So I'm going to see how that does to create some of the foliage up here instead of scribbling like I did in the other one. So we'll give it a try. Okay, I'm going to cover that up and spray down here a little bit with the clear. It's kind of a mess. We'll see what happens. Okay, this is a shadowy area in the street. That shadow cuts all the way across. There's a lot more foliage up in here, so I'm going to just drag that together. It's a little heavy back here to be the distance, so I'm going to lift off some of that and carry it somewhere else. We're going to put trees back at kind of allude to the distance back there, as though there's kind of a horizon line. I was trying to avoid touching the actual tree where the background hit it. Now the only trouble that I see doing something this wet, take a while for it to dry. And let's see if I want to add any more foliage. I don't really think it needs it. What's crazy? You know, you don't want to overwork it. I feel like I captured enough of the essence of the trees in just that little bit. Huh. Weird. I think I'm just going to let that dry and see what happens. I see a puddle right in here. You can see that. But I love the speckleness that the spray bottle gives. I'm going to lift up some of that puddle. Allow for some of that pink tones. And again, this is very watery Payne's gray, so we'll come back to it, and I might need an additional wash Oh, I do want to add, there's really more of a tunnel right across in here. But I love the jaggedness that this spray gives, how it repels some. Let me zoom in and, oh, I don't think it lets me. Nope. Oh, it does. I can zoom in with my phone. Can also zoom in after post edit, so. All right. Cool. Okay, leave it alone, Carrie. All right, I'm going to set this aside and let it be. I wanted you to see how this dries. I really like this one. The subtle hint of trees in the distance, just enough to show a hint of a road, and this speckledness that comes from that spray bottle. I think I'm going to have to keep a spray bottle with me at all times. Love it.